All right, today we're going to take a quick look at this CTV push-up board. This is a 9-in-1. And as you can see, it's color-coded. So there's red, green, blue, and yellow. And each one of these color coordinations work a different area of muscles: shoulders, triceps, chest, and back. I'm not a fitness guru by any means, but this thing, I can feel the burn after trying it. I'm going to go to a video and show you in just a second. But before I do, I'll show you just some of the features of this board. Now, it is like a really well-made plastic. It does have the handles that are removable. It says cushion handles. I mean, they're soft, but they're more like rubber. I wouldn't think of them as a cushion, more of just a rubbery texture, non-slip, if you're sweaty or whatever. So you can just easily pivot these around to different locations. I got a video, I'll show you where I did that. And so anyway, that's pretty easy. Then if you flip it over, it is non-slip. So it does come with these little pads that you just stick on there. Looks like I've lost one, but little pads. And it actually did come with an extra one, or I didn't put it on there. So there you go. So anyway, it is non-slip. So this is a wooden desk. I can push it, and you can see I'm working out here in this video on the floor, on a gym floor. I'm just doing push-ups. I'm going to change the position here several different times. But yeah, as far as like at home working out, one thing about this is it's very small, so I can just slide this underneath the bed, stack these handles on it, put it away, put it in the garage, put it in the closet. And you can see in the video, I'm just changing the variations. And each one of them, I'm still breathing hard because each one of those actually worked pretty good. And to be honest, I was a little surprised how much I feel it when I'm done. But I tried to go through each color variation at least 1 or 2 times and try to pick out each one of them. So a lot of different muscle groups there. And once again, not a fitness guru by any means, but from my little bit of usage of this board, I can say even for an amateur like myself, it works pretty good. So if you're looking for an at-home workout for push-ups in particular, I can definitely recommend this one.